I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman and vice chairman and principal of this college for giving me this precious opportunity to participate in this program. I am greatly overwhelmed with the love and affection which showed on me by the Narendra Naik ji and Madam Usha Pravak ji, which cannot be measurable at all. All the time they are really showing outstanding and unmeasurable love and affection on me. So they have given me the opportunity to participate in this program. I feel really honored to be here in this program. Dear students, I can say in Olachil also I had attended one program in Teachers Day. The way this institution is really educating the students is priceless, because the quality of the students and the way in which they are growing is really amazing. I can see that the two icons of this institution, one is Mr. Narendra Naik and another one is Madam Usha Prabha Naik. So I can proudly say that Narendra Naik sir is my brother and Madam Usha Prabha Naik is my sister. I can proudly say that because both they are made for each other. Not only for this Janma and for another next 7 Janmas. They are really amazing. They are really amazing. And the man of purity and the man of humanity we can see through them. Both they are noble in attitude. The really amazing person. So I have been closely associated with them for the past 3.5 years. I can say that bonding between me and with them is unique in so many ways. So I can not express this. So I thank both of them for giving me this opportunity to attend this program. Really, you are all lucky to study here in this precious college. I can say no other institution can beat or compete for expert college. Expert is expert. Nothing can be replaced by any institution. Because expert college is really expert in all aspects of the education. It is not only learning center, it is really molding the student. So I can say that I can remember the Aristotle words, Aristotle logic. I can mention that logic. In his own theory, he mentioned that A can only be A and B can only be, A cannot be B and B cannot be A. This is the logic. I can put it in other way. The expert is expert and expert cannot be compared to any other institution. So I proudly say that Aristotle logic will really applicable. A can only be A cannot be B, and B can only be B, and B cannot be A. So this is my word saying towards this college. And one more thing I could express that somebody asked me, why you are so much fond of this expert college? Why you are preparing expert college? I replied, I am not preparing, but instead of preparing, I am referring. Because it is 100% deserve to be referred rather than prepare. So I told them I am not preparing, but I am referring the college. The college should be like this. So this is the word I can say. And dear students, today it is a most precious day for all of you. It is a expert day. and it is an important day for all of you, which is ever memorable thing in your life, even after leaving the college. You should carry the good memories when you leave the college. Even after leave the institution, you should memorize the good. You should enrich, or you should bring. You should bring something which can be memorable along your life. So I can say that it is a day free from classroom, and it is a day to showcase the achievements of this college, and also it is a day to exhibit the various talents of the students overall year. So totally I can say this is the expert day is nothing but the making the memories for your life. So that is why this is most precious and amazing day for all of you, including faculty members and management authority and students. Students, you are the centric. We are all seeing you. We are expecting something different from you. So everybody here for you, your parents are here for you, your teachers are here for you, all management authorities are here for you, because we are expecting something from you. So that you are the backbone for this institution, you are the pillar for this institution. Narendra Naik ji and Madam Usha Prabha Naik both are pillar for this institution and two eyes of the institution. At the same time, all the students who are all studying in this college, you are the real backbone, you are the real pillar for institution. So you have to achieve something, and you have to give something contribution to the institution. So that dream, the students, the responsibility is setting up of the dream. So dream can only be possible by the human being. So that you are all studying in very precious and reputed and prestigious college, so that you have to set the good goal and aim in your life. So that I can say one word which is said by the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is said, what is a dream? Because I have read this sentence in the Valachil College, they have written in the wall. I noted down on that day. I can reproduce it. So dream is not what you seen in the sleep. Dream which doesn't let you sleep. That should be the dream. That should be the dream for the students. Because dream, by aiming, by setting up the goal, dream we should set the goal in bigger way. If I am able to run 1000 meters, I should run the goal to reach the 2000 meter. So that should be the bigger. Swami Vivekananda told rightly that fixing up the low aim or goal, it is nothing but crime. So it is our responsibility to fix the good goal, big goal, to achieve something in the life. I will express one story. Napoleon Bonaparte, you can, all of you I think might have heard his Napoleon Bonaparte name, who is the king of the France country. When he was studying in the school, because he was studying in the military school, he came from very poor family. His mother was a fruit seller. When he was studying in the school, when he was small boy, one officer from the military line has visited this college school and interacting with the students. He was asking each and every students that what is your aim, what is your goal, what you want to become in your life. But when the term came to the Napoleon Bonaparte, everybody was saying that because the officer who had come for that program, for that school, is a captain in the military. You can see that in the military there are so many hierarchy. Starting from beginning, field marshal, general, lieutenant general, major general, brigadier, major, captain. There are so many hierarchies. So field marshal, everybody was answering that I want to become field marshal, I want to become general, I want to become lieutenant general, I want to become captain. Like that they were answering. But when the term came to the Napoleon Bonaparte, he was extremely answered to the question which is raised by the captain. He asked him, what is your goal? What you want to become in your life? He replied that I want to become the emperor of the France, not only emperor of the France country, but also European cantonment. Everybody laughed at me, laughed at him, because such a small boy aiming that goal should be the really remarkable and appreciable. So that the teacher, student should aim the good goal to achieve something in life. And teachers profession is very noble professions, because you are all receiving good education from the expert college, because the expert teachers and expert faculty members are here. So that teachers are very good, you have to achieve something in life. So with this word, I just mention another two aspects in life. The responsibility of the students should think the positive way. If I think negative way, I cannot do anything. If I think in positive way, I can do something. So the whole responsibility lies with me. That means students, we should think in positive way. So I should generate all the time in me in a positive way, because if you think different, definitely you will be different. If you think negative, definitely your life will be miserable. So that if you are thinking in negative, positive way, definitely you will be different in the society. I will share one story for the positive attitude. Very interesting story. One small boy who born in the coastal village, every day he was standing in front of the sea and shouting that one day I will conquer this ocean, because the conquering the ocean is not possible. Everybody laughed at him, because this boy might be become mad. So one day at this age of 20 years, he took the boat and he ventured into the sea. While he was going to the sea, and he was still shouting, now I am going to conquer the ocean. Today is my day which I am going to conquer this ocean. The conquering the ocean, it's not so easy, which cannot be possible. Still people are thinking this boy has become mad. When he entered into the sea, the big wave came and his boat is toppled down. Then he was drowning into the sea. When water level came up to the neck level, he was shouting, now I am going to conquer the ocean. When he is about to die, because the water level already came to his neck level, he is about to drown fully, and he was still shouted that now I have conquered the ocean. The reason he has stated in this, that why I have conquered this ocean, is he told, because such a big and mighty ocean could not save the small boy like me, but as a small boy like me, I could able to keep and hold all the big ocean on my chest. I don't know how many of you got this story. Lastly, he expressed that such a big ocean could not save boy like me, but as a boy like me, I could able to keep and hold the whole ocean on my chest. That should be the positive way. That should be the positive thinking. And at last, I would say at last one word, the attitude. ATTITUDE, attitude. Only 8 letters, attitude word. The one word in English dictionary which I have loved most the time all along my life, for one good reason, that the attitude one, the word is 100% guarantee. 100% guarantee for all the things to give us 100% result of whatever we want. Whatever we want. So in depth, I went to little deep and analysis of this attitude word. You can spell it. Attitude, A-T-T-I-T-U-D-E, attitude. If we numerically assign the each value for each letter from A to Z from as 1 to 26 in English alphabetical letters, as you know, 26 letters are there, 1 to 26, and A to Z. If you assign the numerical value for each letter, you can do it. Already I have done it on my own, because I went to in deep to see the power of the attitude word. The power of the attitude word. The who can give 100% result, the who is 100% cent percent. So that you can do it, because if you count all the letters after doing the numerical value of each letter, the result will be 100. You can do it. A, I have done it. A is 1 and T 20 and T 20 and I 9. From the beginning 4 letters, the 50. You can see it. 20 plus 9 plus 1, 50. And another remaining 4 letter, T 20 and U 21, D 4 and E 5. 20, 21, 4, 5. Remaining 4 letters, if you count, it will become 50. From the beginning 4 letter, 50, and last 4 letter, 50. 50 plus 50, 100. So that the attitude word, if you count the attitude word, it will become 100. Why I am saying this? If one word, attitude, if I am possess or keep correctly, positively in me, definitely I can conquer the way, I can conquer the life which the way I want. So that why, if you are possessing the attitude word in your life, definitely you will be conquering the life as you want. So by saying this word, I thank the Narendra Naik ji and Madam Usha Prabha Naik ji and principal for giving me this opportunity to participate in this program. I wish all of you to take this institution with the same commitment and zeal towards excel. Thank you one and all. Thank you.